Hello guys. I got my students' 5th grade school supplies right here. So I'm gonna separate into two. Kasi dalawa yung kambal 5th grade, the same 5th grade. So we're gonna have their school supply, each of them completely. What's on the list, and also it was right here the list of the school supplies. So I'm gonna put it all together. Six glue sticks, pencil box, 1 large pink 10 dry erase marker, 3 composition notebook, and also 6 colored folders with horizontal and side pockets. 6 of those. 6 colored, one. So each 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kala ko 6. 5 lang pala ito. So 6 colored folder with horizontal inside. Horizontal now. Horizontal. So this is here. One over here. And notebook. How many notebook? Notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4 each. 4 each. So 2 students, 4 right here. They're both 5th grade. The twins are in 5th grade. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is for Tyler. Two composition notebook. I think that's the one it is. This is all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is for Tyler. For the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right there. What else? Scissors. Where's the scissors? Where is it? Where's the scissors? So one over here, one over here, one over there, one over there. How many? What do you call this? Notes. 3 composition notebook, wide rolled. I think this is it. This is the one. And the end is near. That's for Tyler right there. This 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? Why is not the same? got too many. Ten dry erase markers. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Now, put that way. We do that this way. And what is this? Headset. There you go. One over here, one over there. Eraser, 2 eraser. One over here, one over there. And how many pencils? Oh, pencils. Too many pencils. Pencils. How many pencils? 2 large pink eraser, and then 1 box colored pencils or crayons. Blue. There it is. And 4 notebook. How many notebooks is this? 2 packages of post-it note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 composition notebook wide roll. So probably this one. So this is the moment we have completely what's on the list. On this. Pencil box. One over here. One over here. And this, what is this? Purple, or goes on purple. What is this called? Acid. What is this? Glue. Glue lang din ay glue. Ayan, 2 of those glue. This for Tyler. That's for Tyler. Okay, that's it. For 2 students. The school supply for 2 students. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Ganito mabigat siya. So, that's that. Na. Lagyan natin yan dyan. For 5th grade student. School supply, that's for the twins. Both in 5th grade.